Have you seen the ads claiming that Pinemoor Tick Protection Drops can naturally keep ticks away and even help protect you from serious tick-borne illnesses with just a few drops a day? Those promises sound reassuring, but once you look beyond the marketing, the picture becomes much less convincing. Pinemoor is promoted as a natural tick repellent that may help prevent tick bites and reduce the risk of illnesses such as Lyme disease, alpha-gal syndrome, and Powassan virus. However, there is currently no publicly available human clinical research proving that the finished Pinemoor formula can reliably repel ticks or prevent these diseases. While some of its herbal ingredients have been studied individually for general wellness purposes, that is very different from proving that swallowing the product makes ticks avoid you. Another concern is that many of the bold advertising claims appear stronger than the evidence supporting them, especially since the product also carries the standard FDA disclaimer stating that these statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration and that the supplement is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. We also found questionable customer testimonials, promotional images that appear heavily edited or AI-generated, and references to Trustpilot ratings that were difficult to independently verify. The marketing relies heavily on fear of tick-borne diseases while creating urgency through countdown timers, large permanent discounts, and limited-time offers that seem to reset frequently. Some buyers have also reported confusion over recurring subscription charges, making it important to review the checkout details carefully before purchasing. Based on the available evidence, Pinemoor Tick Protection Drops cannot be considered a scientifically proven replacement for established tick prevention methods. If you're spending time in tick-prone areas, experts still recommend using EPA-approved tick repellents, wearing protective clothing, performing tick checks after outdoor activities, and consulting healthcare professionals for reliable prevention advice. At this point, the product appears to rely more on persuasive marketing than on strong scientific evidence, so it's worth approaching its claims with realistic expectations before making a purchase.